Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. After assigning a recruiter against an MRF, now it is time open vacancy details on various platforms. For example, iRise, iRefer, career page of corporate website, job portals and consultants, etc. Let's see the steps to follow. Log in to PromptHR as recruiter. Go to Hire. Choose recruiter role from left-hand side. Click on MRF list. Here is the list of MRFs under WIP status. Options are given here to filter MRF list according to status. Well, click on MRF number under WIP list. Before taking any action further, as a recruiter you can check all the details. Now scroll to down and here are the options. Tick here and enter from in to date, if you want to open this MRF or iRefer for this particular period. Tick here and enter from in to date, if you want to open this MRF or iRise for this particular period. Tick here and enter from in to date, if you want to open this MRF for a consultant/vendor for this particular period and choose consultant/vendor name from here. Tick here and enter from in to date, if you want to open this MRF on corporate website's career page for this particular period. And now save. Now I am logging into the system as a general employee. And here you see MRF number 1255 is opened. So as an employee I can apply against this MRF. Or I can refer someone to this opened position.